Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon jerky in air fryer. Pat salmon dry, slice into 1/4 inch strips, and mix a simple cure with salt, sugar, and soy or citrus. Marinate in the fridge for a few hours, then preheat the air fryer, arrange strips without overlap, and cook at moderate heat until chewy but not brittle for a perfect snack. Mix a marinade that balances salt, sugar, and flavor agents to both cure and season the salmon. Use soy, citrus, or fish sauce for umami, and add smoked paprika or liquid smoke for depth without heavy smoke setup. Keep strips refrigerated while marinating, then blot dry before air frying to help develop chew and prevent steaming for a concentrated jerky flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty hacks. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort and durability, perfect for kitchen hustle or outdoor snacking. I dropped the link and deals in the description for easy shopping. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat the air fryer to a moderate temperature and arrange salmon strips in a single layer for even circulation. Cook until the jerky is dry to the touch, but still pliable, flipping once to ensure uniform texture. Let pieces cool fully on a rack to finish drying and lock in chewiness, then store in a breathable container for short-term or vacuum seal for longer shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.